gabi, ma'am.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, sa nung feel karon nga ikaw man ang na-queen of kanituan?
Well, to be honest, I am feeling grateful at the same time happy. Kaya ginulat din ako nga magbalik ang pinagpanituan. Kaya gusto din ako ma-join and then to prove myself in my own community. And then gladly I was able to win the crown. And then I'm so happy and grateful to God and to my friends, supporters, and my family.
Okay.
My friends are there. He supports me.
Okay, mapasalamati ang mga tao nga nagsuporta sa imo.
Yes, first of all, I would like to say thank you to God. No, without God, this is my winning festival as well. To Barangay Kapitan, Lancelot, Panta, thank you so much. And then to the organizer, headed by Ate Samantha, Jason Bayona. And then to, of course, my friends who have been my backbone as well. To my family. And then my makeup artist, AGRS, for making me beautiful every now and then sa akong pageant. And my mga BFF out here, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you.
Hawat sa imong mga kauban, ma'am.
And of course, sa akong mga queens and we all deserve to win. And I'm so happy I share the same stage with all of them.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you, sir.